Here today in this video, I'll make you to learn how to balance the redox reaction. First in this video, we'll discuss in a acidic medium. Okay. So here watch this video till the end. I'm sure definitely you will balance any equation which will be given to you. Okay. So here it is you know what is a redox reaction means. In any reaction, if oxidation and reduction both are taking place, we call them as a redox reactions. So here our question is to balance this equation in an acidic medium. So here it is an here we follow ion electron method. Here we follow ion electron method to balance this equation. Okay. Now predict which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. Okay. We'll divide this into two parts. So here if for that to predict which one is undergoing oxidation or reduction, we have to calculate the oxidation state. So here if calculate the oxidation state, here X minus oxygen minus 2 means minus 8, which is equal to minus 1. So X is equal to plus 7. So Mn is in plus 7 oxidation state. And here it is directly given to you. It is plus 2 oxidation state. So decrease in oxidation number from plus 7 to plus 2. So here this is undergoing reduction. Okay. Now here SO2. Here X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4. S is equal to plus 4. Now what is the oxidation state here? Here hydrogen plus 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Oxygen minus 2, 4 oxygens minus 2 into 4 minus 8, and here is your minus 1. Okay. So here X is equal to plus 6. So here S is in plus 6 oxidation state. So here if you observe, here increase in oxidation number from plus 4 to plus 6. So here it is undergoing oxidation. Okay. Now you have identified which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. I told you, no, it is an ion electron method. And here we are balancing it in an acidic medium. Okay. In the next video, I'll tell you how to balance in a basic medium. Okay. So here, now first write this MnO4. This part, you first part you write, it is MnO4 minus 2 Mn plus 2. The part which is undergoing reduction we have written. Okay. Now here start balancing. So here how to balance? You have to follow some few steps. So which will be which avoid, if you follow those steps, you can avoid the confusion associated with this redox reaction. Okay. Here 1 Mn is there. Here this side also 1 Mn. Okay, leave it. And here 4 oxygens this side and here no oxygens that side. So here first thing, to balance oxygens. So here you are having oxygens. To balance this oxygens, add water molecules on the other side. Here 4 oxygens are there. So here you need to add 4 H2O. 4 H2O. So additionally hydrogens are introduced. To balance these hydrogens, add H plus ions on the other side. So how many hydrogens are there? So for 4 oxygens you have taken 4 water molecules on the other side. So here to balance these hydrogens, add 4 2s are 8, no? So 8 H plus ions on the other side. That's it. So here Mn, here 4 oxygens this side, 4 oxygens this side, 8 hydrogens this side, 8 hydrogens this side. Okay. Now the third part is, so you have balanced oxygens by water by putting water molecules, and you have balanced hydrogens by putting H plus ions on the other side, and the third one you have to look for the charge. So here it is -1, it is -1. Next, 8 into plus 1 means plus 8. So plus 7 is charge this side. So here what is the charge this side? Plus 2. So here you cannot increase the charge, but you can reduce the charge by adding electrons. Here plus 7 you have. All you need is plus 2. So here if you add 5 electrons this side, this will be balanced and the final charge will be minus 2. So here I think you got this point. Here listen carefully. Here it is plus 7 this side, total charge this side, and here plus 2 this side. So here you cannot you cannot increase the charge, but you can decrease the charge by putting electrons. As it is undergoing reduction, reduction means here acceptance of electrons. Electrons will be added. So here how many electrons you need? So if you add 5 electrons, minus 5 plus 7, this will become plus 2. So if you add 5 electrons this side, total charge will be balanced. Now look for the charge. So here Mn and 4 oxygens this side, 4 oxygens this side, 8 hydrogens, okay. MnO4 minus 8H plus, okay. And here the charge, overall charge, it is minus 1 plus 8 plus, so the charge is plus 8 and it is here plus 5 electrons, means here plus total plus 2 charge here and plus 2 charge here. Got it? This will be minus 5 now, plus 2. Plus 5 electrons you have added. Okay. You have completed this side. Now come to the another side which is undergoing oxidation. So here the same procedure you follow for this one also, for this half reaction. So here SO2 will be undergoing oxidation. HSO4 minus. So here how many S are there? 1S this side, okay. And how many oxygens? 2 oxygens this side, 4 oxygens this side. So you need to balance this side. So you put 2. Here to balance oxygen, you need to add water molecules. So here how many oxygens are required? 2. So here I am adding 2 H2O this side, okay. So I'll write it. Here is your SO2 plus 2 H2O this side, okay. Now here 4 hydrogens are, additionally you are added water molecules, so hydrogens you need to balance. 4 hydrogens this side, 1 hydrogen this side, so if you add 3 H plus this side, then that will be clear. 4 hydrogens, 1 plus 3, 4 hydrogens. Now what I told you, you need to balance the charge. So look for the charge. Here 0 and here it is minus 1, 3 plus 3 into plus 1 means here plus 3 means plus 2 charge. So here you have to reduce this charge to 0. So what you need to do? Plus 2 electrons you add. That's it. Okay. So here this is your equation. If you look at this equation, this will be perfectly balanced, this side and this side. Now you combine these two equations. So here combine in such a way that the electrons will get cancelled. Okay. So here 5 electrons are there. There 2 electrons are there. You multiply this entire equation with 2 and multiply this entire equation with 5. So write the overall reaction. Here I am writing this side. Here it will be 2 MnO4 minus 2 into 8 plus 16H plus 2 5s are 10 electrons. This side we have completed, no? Now come to this side. So 5 into SO2 plus 5 SO2 plus 2 5s are 10 H2O. So we have completed one side and another side. So here 2 Mn 2 plus 2 into 4 8 H2O this side and come to this side plus 5 HSO4 minus 5 3s are 15 H plus 10 electrons. Okay. Now look for the cancellations. So here I told you 10 electrons will get cancelled, and here this side 16 H plus is there, here 15 H plus. This 15 H plus will be cancelled, and remaining you will get 1 H plus here, and here 10 H2O this side, 8 H2O this side. This 8 H2O will be cancelled, and here you will be left with 2 H2O here. Okay, so here remaining as it is, you write 2 MnO4 minus plus H plus 5 SO2 plus 2 H2O gives rise to 2 Mn2 plus 5 HSO4 minus. That's it. Now you look whether it is balanced or not. You check once again. Here 2 Mn, okay, balanced. How many? Now look for the oxygens. How many oxygens? Here 2 4s are 8 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 2. So how many? Total 20 oxygens this side, and here 5 4s are 20 oxygens this side. So oxygens balanced. Hydrogens, look for the hydrogens. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 hydrogens this side, 5 hydrogens this side. So balanced. Now look for the charges. I told you 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2 plus 1. So here minus 1 is the overall charge this side. So 2 into plus 2. So plus 4 this side, minus 5 this side. 5 into minus 1. So minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1. Charge is also balanced. So this equation is balanced. This is ion electron method. So here if you look at this equation, it is in the acidic medium. We have balanced. Easy? Okay. If you follow this procedure, this will be very easy. Okay. Here I have written the second question. These are the NCERT exercise questions. Okay. Now try to solve this one. Just follow the procedure which we have used for the previous one. Okay. So here first identify which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. For that you need to calculate the oxidation state. So here 2x, the one you need to find out the oxidation state will be considered as x. So 2x, oxygen minus 2 into 7 minus 14 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to plus 6. So here it is plus 6 oxidation state. Here it is in plus 3 oxidation state. So if you observe this is undergoing reduction. So SO2, here x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4, S is in plus 4 oxidation state, and here it is x minus 8 is equal to minus 2, x is equal to plus 6. So increase in oxidation number, here it is your oxidation. So you have identified which one is undergoing oxidation and reduction. So here first you write the reduction part. Cr2O7 2 minus 2 Cr3 plus. So how many? Chromium 2. So here 2 Cr. So here 2 Cr. So 7 oxygens this side. To balance the 7 oxygens, you write 7 H2O this side. To balance the hydrogen, 7 2s are 14 H plus this side. So how to balance the charge? Here it is minus 2. 14 into plus 1, so it is plus 14. So overall charge is plus 12. And this side 2 into plus 3, it is plus 6. So here you cannot increase the charge, but you can decrease the charge as it is the reduction half cell. You can add electrons, so you can reduce the charge. So plus 12 this side, so if you add plus 6 electrons this side, this will become plus 6. So plus 6 electrons this side. So you have balanced this part, and the second part is SO2 2, SO4 2 minus. So here one S, two oxygens this side. So you add 2H2O this side, 2 2s are 4, 4H plus this side. Now you need to add, now you need to balance the charge. Here it is 0, minus 2 plus 4 means here plus 2. If you add 2 electrons this side, minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So you have balanced this side also. You check once, 1s, 2, 4 oxygens this side, 4 oxygens this side. Hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, and the totally charge is also balanced. So now you combine these two equations so that the electron will get cancelled. So here, how many electrons are there? 6 electrons this side and 3 electrons this 2 electron. If you multiply this equation with 3, that will get cancelled. Means here 6 electrons. So you write the equation by combining these two. So here is your Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electrons plus 3SO2 plus 3 2s are 6H2O and 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 3SO4 2 minus 3 4s are 12H plus 3 2s are 6 electrons. 6 electrons will get cancelled and remaining H plus 14H plus this side, 12H plus this side, this will get cancelled and the remaining you will be left with 2H plus. Look for the H2O, for 6H2O this side, 7H2O, you will be left with 1H2O. Write the overall equation. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 2H plus 3SO2 gives rise to 2Cr3 plus H2O plus 3SO4 2 minus. So now check whether it is balanced or not. 2Cr, 7 plus 6, 13 oxygens this side. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 oxygens this side. Okay. Look for the hydrogens, 2 hydrogens this side, 2 hydrogens this side. Balanced. Now look for the charge. Most of the students will be confused how to balance the charge. No need to worry, just here it is minus 2, 2 into plus 1, it is plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. So here 2 into plus 3, it is plus 6, 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6, minus 2 plus 0. So overall charge is also balanced. This is how you can balance any equation. Okay, I'll give you one homework question. You try to solve on your own. Okay, that is also NCERT exercise question. Here is your question. H2O2 plus Fe2 plus gives rise to okay, this is also acidic medium. Try to solve it. Okay. Try to balance this question and give the answer in the comment section. Okay.